guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be showing you how to make root beer bundt cake. Have a sweet tooth for cake, guys? Why wait? Let's get started. So here we go, guys. Preheat your oven to 325, then spray inside a 10-inch bundt pan with non-stick baking spray. Or you can use butter, dust with cocoa powder, and knock out the excess cocoa. Now I will knock out the excess cocoa. So now, my beautiful, the ingredients are 2 cups root beer. Do not use diet root beer. 1 cup dark and sweetened cocoa powder, more for dusting. Half cup unsalted butter, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Half cup firmly packed dark brown sugar. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt and 2 eggs. So in a small saucepan I will heat root beer 2 cups. Cocoa powder. And butter. I will now heat over medium heat until butter is melted. I will now add the sugar. Mix until sugar is dissolved. Remove from the heat and let's cool. I will now combine baking soda, and salt. This egg until beaten. then into cool cocoa mixer until combined. I will now gently add the flour mixture into the cocoa mixture. The batter will be slightly lumpy. Do not overbeat, it will cause the cake to be tough. Now I will pour into my pan. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. So let's bake 35 to 40 minutes. So here we are, guys. Let's see what this cake is looking like. And let's give it a test to see if it's done. and it is beautiful, guys. Look at this beauty. So here we go, all clean. So it is done, guys, beautifully done. So let's set it aside so it will be cool. So here, my beautiful, the ingredients for the root beer fudge frosting are 2-ounce dark chocolate, 60% melted and cooled slightly, ½ cup or 1 stick unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon salt, a ¼ cup wheat beer, 2/3 cup dark and sweetened cocoa powder, 2½ cups confectioner's sugar, and this, guys, will be served, this cake will be served, guys, with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, guys. So let's go over to the stove. So here we go, guys, add into the pan chocolate. Now I will set aside to cool slightly. I will now add all ingredients to food processor. This frosting is so tasty, guys. So tasty. Now I will cover. Pulse in short bursts until frosting is shiny and smooth. So here we go, guys, let's see what it is looking like. Beautiful, all smooth and shiny. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. So I will now add this to my cake, guys. So here we are, guys. I will now use a spatula to spread the fudge frosting over the crown of the Bundt cake. This is a great recipe for you to try, guys. Very delicious. This is a must-have on your plate. Slice or two, whatever. It's a must-have, guys. Love me some cake, guys. Love me some cake and ice cream. I love ice cream. Love me some cake and ice cream, guys. All smooth and shiny, guys. Silky smooth. What's your favorite ice cream, guys? I will be trying this with some vanilla. Some vanilla ice cream, guys. I love all flavors, but this is great. This is great with some vanilla ice cream. Yes, guys. So here we go, guys. Smooth, shiny, and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please let me know by leaving me a comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you so much.